Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does everybody think mine is disgusting? Alright, YouTubers. I'll ask you this question later. By the way, my fidget spinner has to be cooler. Why? So quiet. We.
Hey, you know what? Those are actually just lying.
What do you mean?
Mine is boring. They're just lying.
Yeah, we were just lying, Pablo. Why did you believe that everybody here was lying? Except for Paddington, because he hates you. And the dad. Because he also hates you. But at least, you're the Minion. Really, Minion? Minion. Wake up, Minion. What do you want? You two, you want some fair one? Wait a second. So, YouTubers, also viewers like you, comment down below who do you think who has the best fidget spinner in the world.
Hey, what's my fidget spinner?
What's mine?
I don't know.
Fidget spinner, fidget spinner. I love these fidget spinners. Haha. Oh my god. The end. Oh, wait a minute. Leave a comment down below. Who do you think fidget spinner is better? Brownies or Pablos? Paddington. Gotta hide this.